How to export Homestyler design to AutoCAD. Exporting your design from Homestyler to AutoCAD lets you take your visuals into technical drawing mode. After finishing your design, go to the top toolbar and look for the export option. Choose Export to CAD or Download DWG, depending on your version. This generates a DWG file you can open in AutoCAD or any other compatible CAD software. Before exporting, check your layers and layout details. Only what's visible will be exported. So make sure all walls, rooms, and measurements are displayed correctly. This is especially useful if you're handing the design over to an architect or contractor. The CAD format includes accurate dimensions, which are essential for real-world construction. Need this feature and more? Don't forget, the link to join Homestyler is in the description. Try it free and get access to pro-level export tools. This export capability bridges the gap between creative, design, and technical execution. Perfect for professionals and serious DIY planners.